My name is Steve Ono. I'm the author of Can Any Guitarist Even Dream, and I'm here to talk to you about eighth notes and food. Everybody loves pizza. Can you imagine what it would be like to eat an entire large pizza without cutting it up? A student once described it as like a really large, messy taco, as if tacos weren't messy enough. So what do we do with pizza? Well, we take a whole pizza, which is like a whole note, and we cut it in half. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So half notes are 2 beats long. A whole note is 4 beats. What happens if I've got one of those little personal pan pizzas, little guys? Quarters is good enough, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got quarter notes. That is our main pulse in 4/4 time. And that's what we call it, a pulse, like a pulse in your body. It's a beat. Everybody has one. You got to keep it. You do not want your heart to skip a beat, not a good thing. What happens if I want to go faster? Well, then I'm starting to divide the beat in half. And of course, what happens when I divide 4? I end up with 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... If I'm going to play folky eighth notes, I will use a down-up stroke with my pick. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1. Okay? If I want a more rock sound, I will pick down. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Now it's important I back up at this point and talk a bit about a rest. A whole rest is a whole 4 beats of nothing. And I mean silence. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. On 1 or on 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And of course, a quarter rest can appear in 4 different locations. 1, 2, 3, or 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one of our favorites. Rest on 2 and 4. Alternating picking. If I'm playing with a pick on a single note, I can play down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And I want to develop the alternating down, up, down, up. As I'm moving through the scale, G, F, E, D. Now, if I'm starting with a downstroke, I'm going to go down, up, up. And when I'm playing that second down, up, I'm on the inside of the 2 strings, of the first string to the second string. Down, up. Okay? So I can either, when I'm transitioning from string to string, I can either run down, up, or up, down. Inside, or outside. If I start from the F on a downstroke, down, up, down, up. So this time I went on the outside of the two strings. So inside, outside. Inside, inside, outside. Okay? Quarter notes and eighth notes. Two long, one short, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 1, and 2, 3, and 4. Those are the first two possibilities. Long, short, short, long, short, short, and short, short, long, short, short, long. And then we have 1 and 3 and 1 and 3 and down, up, up, down, up. You can also play them all down, of course. Here's the mixed one. 1, 2, and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and 1. Okay, so I just played a few chords with that particular count. Now that count is part of our normal speech patterns. We say these things all the time in the way we talk. I love food. Pizza pie, pizza pie. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Hot dog, hot dog, hot dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. How about grape soda? Grape soda, grape soda, grape soda. Apple pie, 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 apple pie. Hot fudge sundae, hot fudge sundae, hot fudge sundae, hot fudge sundae. The rhythms that we say, our common speech patterns, are the rhythms we play as well. We just have a counting regimen, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now, scale models, is it the size of a whole note? 2, 3, 4. Well, I can have a half note. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or I can have the half note last. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Or I can put the half note in the middle. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2. How about with quarter note, eighth note? Same difference. Scale model, the size of a half note. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and that's long, short, short, long. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 1 and 3 and 1 and 3 and. Now the exercise is to be able to draw this stuff like you would fraction problems in any kind of math test from 4th grade. Only use the symbols, half note, whole note, quarter note, eighth note, and the corresponding rests.